In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add variants on Shopify. Variants are perfect for selling products with different options such as sizes, colors, materials, or styles, helping customers find exactly what they need. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store, click on Products from the menu on the left side. Next, find the product you want to add variants to and click on it to open the product details page. If you have many products, you can use the search bar to locate it quickly. Scroll down until you reach the variants section. If your product currently has no variants, you'll see an option such as Add options like size or color. Click on it to begin. Now enter your first option name. For example, you might enter size. Then add the option values such as small, medium, large, and extra large. If your product has additional options, click Add another option. For example, you could add color and enter values such as black, white, blue, and red. As you add options, Shopify will automatically generate all possible variant combinations for your product. Review the generated variants and update any specific details such as pricing, inventory, quantity, SKU, numbers, weight, or images for each variant if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Done and then click Save in the top right corner of the page. That's it. You've successfully added variants to your Shopify product, giving customers more choices and creating a better shopping experience. Thanks for watching.